Imagine this. You're seated at a table in one of the world's most exclusive restaurants. The ambiance is impeccable, the service is flawless, and every bite of your meal is a masterpiece. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that dining at the world's most expensive restaurants isn't just about the food? It's about the entire experience. From Michelin-starred chefs to rare ingredients and breathtaking settings, these restaurants redefine what it means to dine in luxury. In this video, I'm taking you on the refined journey to explore what it's really like to dine at the world's most expensive restaurants. Whether you're a foodie or just curious about the world of high-end dining, this is your ultimate guide. What makes a restaurant the most expensive? Before we dive into the restaurants themselves, let's talk about what makes a restaurant one of the most expensive in the world. It's not just about the price tag, it's about the entire experience. First, there's the cuisine. These restaurants often feature Michelin-starred chefs who are masters of their craft. They use rare, high-quality ingredients like truffles, caviar, and Wagyu beef, which can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per serving. Then there's the ambiance. Think stunning interiors, breathtaking views, and impeccable service. Many of these restaurants are located in iconic locations, like the Eiffel Tower or underwater in the Maldives. Finally, there's the exclusivity. Some of these restaurants have waiting lists that are months or even years long. And once you're in, you're treated like royalty. So when you're paying top dollar, you're not just paying for the food, you're paying for an unforgettable experience. Restaurant 1. Sublimotion, Ibiza, Spain. Let's start with one of the most unique dining experiences in the world. Sublimotion in Ibiza, Spain. This restaurant is known for its avant-garde approach to dining, combining food, art, and technology into a multi-sensory experience. For around $2,000 per person, you'll enjoy a 20-course meal that's as much a performance as it is a dinner. Each course is paired with stunning visuals, music, and even scents that transport you to another world. Pro tip: Sublimotion is only open during the summer months, and reservations are extremely limited. If you're planning to go, book as early as possible, and be prepared for a dining experience like no other. Restaurant 2. Ultraviolet by Paul Perret, Shanghai, China. Next up is Ultraviolet by Paul Perret in Shanghai, China. This restaurant takes immersive dining to a whole new level. For around $900 per person, you'll enjoy a 20-course meal in a private dining room equipped with cutting-edge technology. Each course is paired with visuals, sounds, and even scents that enhance the flavors of the food. For example, you might dine under a starry sky or in a bustling marketplace, all without leaving your seat. Pro tip: Ultraviolet only seats 10 guests per night, so reservations are incredibly competitive. If you're lucky enough to snag a spot, be prepared for a dining experience that's as much about the journey as it is about the food. Restaurant 3. Ithaa Undersea Restaurant, Maldives. If you're looking for a dining experience that's truly out of this world, look no further than Ithaa Undersea Restaurant in the Maldives. Located 16 feet below sea level, this restaurant offers panoramic views of the coral reefs and marine life surrounding you. For around $320 per person, you'll enjoy a 6-course meal featuring fresh seafood and local ingredients. But let's be honest, you're really here for the view. Pro tip: Ithaa is one of the most Instagrammable restaurants in the world, so bring your camera, or better yet, hire a professional photographer to capture the moment. Restaurant 4. Guy Savoy, Paris, France. For a more traditional but no less luxurious experience, head to Guy Savoy in Paris, France. This Michelin-starred restaurant is known for its classic French cuisine and impeccable service. For around $600 per person, you'll enjoy dishes like artichoke and black truffle soup, roasted duck with spices, and a decadent chocolate dessert. Each course is paired with the finest wines, making for a truly indulgent experience. Pro tip: Guy Savoy is located near the Louvre, so why not make a day of it? Spend the afternoon exploring the museum, then cap off your day with an unforgettable meal. Restaurant 5. Masa, New York City, USA. Last but certainly not least, we have Masa in New York City. This sushi restaurant is one of the most expensive in the world, with a tasting menu that costs around $950 per person. Chef Masa Takayama is a true artist, crafting each piece of sushi with precision and care. The ingredients are flown in daily from Japan, ensuring the freshest possible flavors. Pro tip: Masa doesn't have a menu. Instead, the chef creates a personalized tasting experience based on the freshest ingredients available. So come with an open mind and let the chef take you on a culinary journey. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the most expensive restaurants on the planet. From immersive dining experiences to classic French cuisine and underwater adventures, these restaurants redefine what it means to dine in luxury. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Refined Journey, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let me know in the comments which restaurant you'd most like to visit. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, dine boldly and live luxuriously. See you on the next adventure.